Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Sound full of myself a rule, but you looking at no other dudes, cause you love me. I'm sorry, baby. So you think about a chance, you find yourself trying to do my dance, maybe cause you love me. So
what's good, YouTube? It's your girl MeganB, and welcome back to my channel. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, follow my social media, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I was contacted by Nadula Hair Company. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. This is from their Amazon store. They do have two websites. One is their main website, and then they have an Amazon store, which is a lot more affordable, and shipping is fast, of course, if you have Amazon Prime. This is the box. Really cute, black, gold, all that. I don't know, I just really like this box. I'm really big on like presentation and packaging, like I don't know. So the back already has your tips and Q&A for how to take care of the hair, how to wash it, rinse it, condition it, as well as tips on like maintaining and how to maintain their wigs to make it last longer. Once you open up the box, of course you get the wig, and comes in a little package like that. You get a wig cap, which I already have on right now. Then you get two headbands. This one, which is really cute, really tropical, so I think that's really cute, has like palm trees on it. And then the other one, it's a really sheer headband, burgundy with like roses on it. Really freaking cute. Then for the wig, alright, so this is the wig how it's looking straight out the box. Of course, we're gonna have to do some customization to it so we can get it how we want it to look. The band, I will say, is A1 compared to my previous video on my headband wig. It was a little bit thin, and it actually came apart. The front, like the very front part, came apart, and this looks really sturdy, and it looks like it's going to last. Also, the band isn't extremely long, so I had to overlap my last wig and put bobby pins in it in order for it to fit the nape of my head, which the straps are not long, so I think this is going to actually fit my head, and I absolutely love that. On the inside, you also, which I'm loving the specs of this wig, like my last wig didn't have all that. You get adjustable straps so you can make it even more snug, and then you get your comb in the back, on the side, and then at the very top. But that's pretty much it. It's really soft, silky, straight, and it's not as thin. It's a perfect density. I think it's a 150, like a standard 150 density wig, what it feels like. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and plop her on. So my edges are already kind of laid, so I'm going to go in and touch up my edges. I'm just using my Style Factor Boost Edge Control, my holy grail. And then to add extra hold, I'm using my Gorilla Snot glue gel, whatever it's called, and I only use this when it's summertime, because where I get, it's really humid and hot, and my edges tend to sweat out. So I like to go ahead and give it that extra hold with the Gorilla Snot. And I'm just going to, being that I already laid them down, I'm going in really light with both gels, because you don't want to get them crusty. If you do end up getting them crusty, you can just go in with a very light oil mist or oil sheen spray and go like, that's it, like, because you don't want to revert, you don't want the oil to make it revert back to like curly or anything. You just want to take a little, because that's what's going to really make the hair crusty if you do too much. So I'm gonna plop her on. Also, I feel like with any headband wig, make sure you're pulling from behind the band and not pulling the band, because I feel like it's gonna break. I did that with my last wig and I tore it. So headband tip 101, pull from behind like the actual wig and not the band, because you don't want to tear it. Alright, so just gonna place that behind my ear, put the band on. She is actually cute. I'm going to straighten it how I want to straighten it. It comes with a little bump, also due to it being in a box and stuff. Alright, y'all, like, she is cute. She is really cute. Alright, I'm gonna put on one of their headbands. Alright, this is cute. What y'all think? This is the back. I think the back looks amazing. Like, the cut is amazing. It's even all around. Well, I think it's like a little asymmetrical thing going on, but it's still an even cut. The back looks really great. Like, I bone straighten it because that's how I like my bobs a little bit. But yeah, like, this looks really good. Nadula hair, you did that. That's really cute. I love this look. Let's show our edges. This is really cute. Very simple and very cute. I am going to go and put some makeup on, give me a whole look together, and I will be back. Alright, so I went and put my makeup on. Like, don't mind my unibrow, y'all. I'm getting my eyebrows waxed, I promise, but I can't help it. I just naturally have thick eyebrows and a unibrow, but don't come for my unibrow. Anyways, this is the look. Cute. Real cute. I am going to put a headband that goes with this outfit, so I'm going to use this white one. Boom. That's cute. That's real cute. Alright, y'all. What do you think about the final look? Is it a yes? Is it a no? Like, would you rock this wig? I personally would rock this wig. I feel like you can still be real cute and sexy with it, but it's also something that you don't have to put any type of effort in. As you can see, like, you literally, once you style it right out the box, you can. And it's perfect for summertime. Like, it's too hot to be wearing braids, although I'm still gonna rock my braids and my long wigs, but sometimes it's just too hot and you don't have time, and sometimes you just don't have time for hair, but you still gotta go somewhere, you still gotta be cute, and this is the perfect wig. Like, this is so cute, still be sexy. This is so cute. Like, oh my gosh, my vision came out like I wanted it to. I am going to switch the hairstyle around and add a little bump to finish this look off, but it's really cute like this. Like I said, last minute errands or going out or appointments, if you know, you know, this is a perfect appointment wig. Like, still sexy, still cute. I absolutely love this wig. Super duper affordable. Like, you can't beat the price. I will leave all the links below about Nadula hair, the direct link to the wig, as well as their Amazon website. Definitely go check this wig out. A really good investment. Although it's really cheap, you're spending money, so anything that you spend your money, to me, is an investment. Yeah, especially like if you don't even wear wigs, or you feel like wigs aren't for you but you still want to wear a wig, this is so perfect, because you don't have to worry about lace, you don't have to worry about glue. If you're a beginner, you don't have to worry about none of that. You literally just lay your edges down or slick your hair back. You don't even have to have baby hairs. You can slick your hair back and plop this wig on and go. Like, come on now. So this is the end of the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, would you rock this wig, or is it too short? Do you prefer longer wigs or do you prefer shorter wigs? Tell me which one you prefer. Let me know if you liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.